This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Lite 230 Macedonian dinars is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 28 feet 7 inches in length and features sleep 6, awning, skylight, refrigerator, water heater, TV, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Lite 230 Macedonian dinars is 5,955 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.